Be kind, for whenever kindness becomes part of something, it beautifies it. Whenever it is taken from something, it leaves it tarnished. The best among you is the one who doesn't harm others with his tongue and hands. A good man treats women with honor. The greatest of richness is the richness of the soul. There is reward for kindness to every living thing. Strive always to excel in virtue and truth. The greatest jihad, struggle/striving, is to battle your own soul, to fight the evil within yourself. The strongest among you is the one who controls his anger. God does not look at your forms and possessions, but he looks at your hearts and your deeds. Riches are not from an abundance of worldly good but from a contented mind. Exchange gifts, you will love one another. The best among you are those who have the best manners and character. No two things have been combined better than knowledge and patience. Tell people of glad tidings and do not push them away. The best of houses is the house where an orphan gets love and kindness. The believer does not slander, curse, or speak in an obscene or foul manner. A kind word is a form of charity. A father gives nothing better than good education. Seek knowledge from cradle to the grave. When a thing disturbs the peace of your heart, give it up. I leave behind me two things, the Quran and my Sunnah, and if you follow these you will never go astray. Feed the hungry, visit the sick, set free captives. There will come a time when holding on to your deen will be like holding on to hot coals. Amongst the friends of Allah, Awliya, the Quran is considered as a love letter from Allah, which inevitably is read continuously to remind them of their beloved. The strongest man is the one who, when he gets angry and his face reddens and his hackles rise, is able to defeat his anger. The most excellent jihad is the conquest of oneself. Verily, God is compassionate and is fond of compassion, and he gives to the compassionate what he does not give to the harsh. This world is a prison for the believers and a paradise for the non-believers. When two persons are together, two of them must not whisper to each other, without letting the third hear, because it would hurt him. Verily, it is one of the respects to Allah to honor an old man. Kindness is a mark of faith, and whoever has not kindness has not faith. Four things support the world: the learning of the wise, the justice of the great, the prayers of the good, and the valor of the brave. None of you truly believes until he wishes for his brother what he wishes for himself. The ink of the scholar is more sacred than the blood of the martyr. Who is the most favored of God? He from whom the greatest good comes to his creature. The greatest of wealth is the richness of the soul. Happy is the man who avoids hardship, but how fine is the man who is afflicted and shows endurance. None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. There is nothing like marriage, for the two who love one another. To overcome evil with good is good, to resist evil by evil is evil. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video.